guys, hope you're all well. So now I am making a video of another roundabout which comes into SLOUGH test route plus Uxbridge test route as well. Okay, so this is the Ivor roundabout. I've actually never noticed what the name is of this roundabout. It's the one okay, so the speed limit is 50 here. A lot of people ask this question: what if I have cars in front of me? Shall I still drive 50? No. How can you do that? That's a very silly question. So if you have cars in front of you who are driving slow and you have no opportunity to overtake them, that means just stay behind them, because you need to do what is safe. Okay, so the roundabout is coming soon and it has 5 exits, and we are gonna go one by one. So the traffic in front of you is braking, means you need to brake as well. Somebody's signaling like this guy, you need to slow down as it can take him time to turn. Maybe it's not a very fast driver and like obviously it's going to take him time. So this is the 5 points roundabout. We are taking the first exit towards SLOUGH now. So first exit is never so difficult. What you do, you start going down to 10 speed per mile, 10 car length before, so you can judge what's happening. And now you can see the chevrons on the left, so make sure that you don't go on top of them. And as soon as you take the exit, you are gonna stay in the right lane, but then as soon as your lane is clear on the left, you check your middle mirror and your left mirror and move back to the left lane. So from here, the speed limit starts 60. That was the first exit to the left. So now we are moving towards the roundabout again, and this time we are going to do the second exit, and it's pretty much ahead. And now you can see I'm approaching the roundabout. It's quite close, but just like 10 car length before, I'll say it again, I keep telling this to the students, 10 car length before the roundabout, get down to 10 to 12 speed, maximum 12. 10 speed is ideal. Don't think you're too slow. No, no, no. So you're going ahead, second exit, you position your car to the left lane, because the left lane is not left turning only. And we can see a car coming from the right. So now I'm gonna position my car totally to the left hand side and then just signal. And now you can see there's a big puddle. What you're gonna do, you're gonna check your middle mirror, your right mirror. If nobody is approaching from the other side, you just move a little to the right so you don't splash the water. There could be anything inside the puddle. There could be like literally anything. Okay, so now same side, I'm going to the third exit, and the third exit is more towards the right. So now obviously I have a very slow moving vehicle in front of me. I just stay behind him. I'm not gonna try to overtake him or anything, nope, because this can be super dangerous. So now I'm getting close to the roundabout, and remember I'm taking the third exit towards Watford and Denham, M25 as well. So I'm gonna move my car towards the right, like with a signal. So remember, the signal needs to be there earlier, because signal is not for you, it's for other people to know where you are planning to come. And then we move in, quickly check your middle and left mirror. And if it's the third exit, you keep checking your middle and your left mirror 3 times. After your second exit, you move to the left lane with a signal to the left, and that's your exit. And the speed limit here is 40. Now we are back to the same roundabout again, the 5 points roundabout, and this time we are going to take the 4th exit, Uxbridge, Ivor Heath, and I'm going to move my car over to the right hand lane with a signal. My speed was 10 miles an hour. I could see clearly who was coming. Now I can see there's a van coming. and there's a car coming. And now we can move quickly, and then quickly check your middle mirror, your left mirror once, now twice, now the third time, and after the third exit you signal left and move to the left and take your exit towards either Uxbridge. That's it. That was the fourth exit. So simple and easy. There's nothing like difficult about it. It's very straightforward roundabout. It's not a very difficult one. Okay, so now I'm getting back to 5 points roundabout again, and this time I'm gonna take the fifth exit towards Ivor. That means it's a U-turn. So I'm gonna position my car fully to the right. Don't forget, get your speed down to 10 car length before. So I keep signaling to the right all the way and do my checks 4 to 5 times to the middle mirror and the left mirror. After the fourth exit, I'm gonna quickly check, signal left and move my car to the left. So remember one thing, you don't move first and then signal, because signal is for other people to know what you are trying to do, not for yourself, okay? That haha, I signaled. Okay, so don't do that. Yeah, so that was 5 points roundabout, and you saw it's quite easy. Few things you need to remember to do a roundabout is, the main thing, get slow before you approach the roundabout, at least 10 car length before, go down to 10 speed limit, and make sure that you check everywhere, not like a dummy, get to the roundabout, then suddenly stop and then check. No, that's not gonna help you. Maybe the person behind you saw that nobody was coming from the right and he was not expecting you to stop, and then you stop suddenly and he literally bumped into you, and that is gonna be a big accident, and that's gonna be very bad for everyone. So remember to do the roundabout. Make sure when you go for your test, you're fully awake, you're not half asleep. Get your full sleep the night before. Be fresh. If you can, try to get a double espresso before your test and also before your lessons, so you are fresh and your instructor doesn't have a very hard time with you, because it is a disaster to teach somebody who's half asleep, and it's, honestly speaking, it's not funny to teach someone who is not paying attention to the road or anything, because you can carry on with your lesson, but you're actually going to waste your lesson, and you're going to waste the time of your instructor as well. Plus, sometimes people think, yeah, but I'm paying, but yeah, but he's literally the instructor, him or she, they are sitting and driving for you instead of you driving. So make sure you are fully awake, okay? But any questions, let me know in the comments below. I saw one of the questions in the other video. Yeah, the person who was telling me that they have sent me an email and some messages as well. Okay, I would really appreciate if you guys could send me WhatsApp messages. Plus, make sure you mention your name in your messages, okay? Because it's like a very random message. Hi, I've got your number from a friend. So nothing about your name or your friend's name. So remember to say your name, okay? And yeah, that's Rocco. Rocco, I'm definitely gonna reply to you. If you could just send me the message with your name on. That's it. But guys, enjoy your lessons. Make sure you are like enjoying your lessons, because otherwise you won't learn properly, okay? And good luck for your test. Whoever is having a test very soon, good luck for your test. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy the roundabouts. Take care. Bye.